Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage digital assets with Dropbox, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin managing your digital assets with Dropbox, first, ensure you have a Dropbox account. Visit the Dropbox website or download the app on your device. Click on sign up if you don't have an account, or log in if you do. After logging in, familiarize yourself with the interface. On the main dashboard, you'll see your files and folders. To upload files, click the Upload button located on the top right. Select whether to upload files or entire folders. Choose the files or folders from your device and confirm the upload. Once uploaded, your files will appear in the main view. To organize your assets, create folders by clicking New Folder. Name the folder appropriately based on its contents. Drag and drop files into the newly created folders for easy access. To share your digital assets, select the file or folder you wish to share. Click the Share button that appears. Enter the email address of the person you want to share with. Choose their permissions, either can edit or can view. Click Send to share the link directly. You can also generate a shareable link by selecting Create Link. Copy the link and send it via your preferred communication channel. To keep your files secure, utilize Dropbox file recovery options. Check the Events tab to track any changes or activity. Regularly backup important files by syncing them. Utilize the mobile app to access your files on the go. Explore additional features like comments and file requests for collaboration. Make it a habit to regularly organize and clean up your folders. With these steps, you can efficiently manage your digital assets using Dropbox. Start implementing these techniques to streamline your workflow today. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.